Misael, he's an Olympian, a medalist in Mexico, working out. He's turning pro April 9 in Los Angeles, working very hard. Javier Zurdo, all the way from Mexico, from Culiacan, Sinaloa. Where, you're from Chihuahua, right? Chihuahua. You're from San Antonio, Texas. Where are you from?
Bay Area, San Francisco.
It's a Texas takeover. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.5.
Pork chop, who you got? Canelo or Chavez Jr.?
Canelo,
Why?
because I love Canelo.
Why? You love Canelo? How much do you love him? More than Payo loves Andre Ward?
Probably.
Nah, he loves Ward. Ward looked out for him in a fight.
Canelo's gonna knock him out.
You got Canelo by knockout?
Yeah.
What do you?
Like 6 rounds.
Think so?
Yeah.
What do you think?
I think it'll be a good fight.
He's gonna do the same thing he did to American.
I think they'll go to decision.
Nah.
Nah?
All right, you were Pork Chop all the way from Dallas. I don't know. It's a 50-50 fight, Pork Chop. 50-50. Started from the bottom, now we're here.
Yep. Let's go!
Yeah, hilarious.
I love you.
She's hilarious. Today she went into my wife has a backpack. She went into my wife's backpack. She grabbed a book and started chewing on it. I'm like, what dog does stuff like that? Getting into a backpack. I was impressed. Payo, who has the best sound effects? Who would be most intimidating? Pork Chop?
No. Brian Gallegos.
Brian Gallegos?
Brian Gallegos. Let's go! What's the best sound effect? Okay. Brian Gallegos and Danny Gonzalez.
I thought that was Danny when I walked in. I thought from the profile.
No, Brian Gallegos is the worst.
Why? What does he do?
They just scream. They scream. It's like when they used to hit the back at the same time, it's like they were trying to like out-scream the other one.
When you take judo classes or karate classes, they tell you to yell when you hit.
Really?
Yeah, karate, not judo.
Oh.
It's like
I don't
to,
scream. I just do
to intimidate your opponent.
Yeah. Hey, Josh.
Yeah, that's true, right? You took karate? Oh. Yeah.
You said YouTube only.
But the thing is, in karate, A, they don't do real sparring, and B, you're always wide open.
Yeah.
Like, it's not realistic in a fight.
That's how Nate Diaz teach me how to do jiu-jitsu.
I kind of want to get a street fight one.
He's really good.
Correct.
And what happened? You
Get in the street fight with someone like
So there you have it. Another great video for ES News. For ESNewsReporting.com, I'm Eli Sekpak reporting. And you can follow me on Twitter @Sekpak. And you can follow me on Instagram @Eli Sekpak.